Fall is upon us, and this is... Alright, you guys, we have not done a video in so long. Oh my goodness, I miss you guys so much. So if you are new here, my name is Money, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to dress modest for the fall time. You've been rocking with me for so long. Welcome back. I miss you guys so much. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if you know me, I am a summer girl. I am a summer girl. I love summer. I love spring. I love flowers. I love being outside. Fall is around time, like, you can be outside, but you gotta be a little, you know, comfortable and stuff like that. I will say, I do love the fall activities, like the, you know, going apple picking, going to do the pumpkin patches, all that. So I love doing stuff like that. But I'm a summer and spring girl, and I just love fall activities. And fall and winter time is that time for me wanting to be in the bed and sleeping. But this is when you can say if you're a stylist or not, if you can put them outfits on. A lot of people during winter and fall time, they struggle because they don't know how to layer. They either don't know how to layer, or they just don't know how to coordinate the outfits there. This is when it's gonna make you or break you. In the spring and summertime, you can put the less clothes on in the summer and springtime, and you know nobody's gonna buy. But when if you know how to layer, that's gonna make or break you, girl. Yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to layer your outfits, and also just having chill, cool outfits. You know what I'm saying? So that's the main goal for today. But I'm so excited to be recording these videos with you guys. I will say some of these outfits just have incorporate pants. I'd be like, Money, I'm not jigging with that. That's totally fine. But these outfits, some of them have pants in it. So I'm so excited to show you guys. But yes, if you haven't already, remember to subscribe, share, and like. All right, let's get into it. Y'all know I always start off with the outfit I have on right now. It's the dress. Now, as a dress, I just got this dress, I believe 2 days ago. My mom was like, girl, look what I got. I don't want it. You want it? I say, yes, give it to me. Give it here. And I was like, I actually like it. It is extra large. If you know me, I love baggy clothes, so I didn't have an issue with it. So it was something that I just like, yeah, let's put this thing together. As you can see, it's a dress, but the bottom part is tulle. The top part is a mock neck top. You see in the bottom piece, you have 3 different color looks. Usually you can't pull from these looks. You can put some brown pools with these or something like that. But for me, I'm going to use a different color, which is a tangerine type of color. One thing about me, I love using colors, and I love color blocking. I say in all my videos, I love color blocking. I love using those. When I wear this dress again, I'll probably be putting a jacket on with this, but for right now, this is what we have. With jewelry, we're using simple earrings. Hair is simple with like these little studs I have at the top. I have a gold charm bracelet and a gold ring, and it's like a belt type of ring. Very simple look, but it's very abstract, and I feel like when you style with it and you put like add accessories or even add a purse with this, the look is going to pop. I definitely believe that. The next look is one of my favorites. This look is a layering look. I would definitely say I would wear this when this is cold. I wouldn't wear this look when it's like hot. So you have the under long sleeve top, and you have a jean jacket, and you have these brown pants, jean skirt. So the 2 jeans, they don't match automatically, but it does complement each other. So it's kind of similar, but it's not too much similar. But it doesn't override one. So it's not one's like not dark denim, the other one's not light denim, but they're basically complement each other. So now, as you see in the tie I have, it has yellow in it, and you have the burgundy hat. So it all kind of complement each other, and we're using the same type of color scheme. The purse I'm using, you can use any type of purse. I would say I would stick with a brown purse, or use the color similar to what you already have on now. But with jewelry and everything like that, I would do simple jewelry. The jewelry really not gonna show the main pieces that you're gonna see. The main piece you're gonna see is the clothing. I will use gems in the hat. You can do anything to style however you want to style with this. But yeah, this is a very nice look. I'm not gonna lie, it's sleek. It's giving streetwear but business casual at the same time. It's kind of weird. It's a really fun look. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have no issue with this look. This is one of my favorite, like, I mean, top tier my favorite look right here. But yes, let's get to the next look. I know I said that before this one, I really love, but I like this one too. It's giving much more chill out on the town type of look. You can switch the boots, so you can wear yellow boots, or you can wear orange boots, the orange boots I had before. But this one is a very simple look. Jewelry, I'm doing simple too again, but you know, using Bojangles or you know, the gold earrings. Your hair is simple and stuff like that. You can add some glasses, but this is like out on the town. You're going to eat brunch with your friends, or you going to a museum, or you just walking around, going to get some coffee or something like that. This is a very simple look. This look, you have pants with these pants I have. They're like a 3XL, I'm not gonna lie, but I kind of fixed it up, tied it up a bit where like you don't really see it. I made the dress into a top, so giving this baggy street style look. Wear boots and you wear the flat boots, or you can wear the high heel boots. It's either one, but either one is gonna work. This look is really cute, but let's get into the next look. Alright, so this one is the last look. So the last look is an all black look. Now you can do any color boot with this look. The main color is black with gray and black in it. I will say you can go on a date with this look, or you can go out of town, or you can, it's either one with this one, but this is kind of like a date night type of look. You could play around, do like a street style, little funky little style, maybe like kitten heels with this, with the socks. Either one will work. A lot of people are wearing now the capri pants with the boots, or even with the heel, or with the flats. Capris are coming back. Y'all remember back in the day we used to wear capris a lot, and I just love capris now. They are so cute. Jewelry can be simple again. I'm buttoning this top all the way to the top, or you can let it out or anything like that. It's either one, but either one can work. Just simple earrings and jewelry, you know, it can be very simple. But yeah, that look is really, really cute. Not gonna lie, I'm having a hard time figuring out which one's my favorite, but all of them really finna be my favorite at this point. All right, that is a wrap for these lookbooks. Other than that, I just want to say thank y'all so much for tuning in, for just enjoying these videos, and even like saying, hey Money, I would love to see these type of looks, I want to see these type of looks. That helped me, that helps me a lot, y'all. Like, it truly helps me, and I love that. I thank y'all so much. But yes, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and remember that God will never leave y'all nor forsake y'all, and that this modesty journey is a journey, y'all. So you're going to learn, you're going to be, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, and you might say, oh, I don't know about that, I don't know about this, this is what I'm going to stick to what you believe is right, but God's convenient. God said, I don't like that, don't do that. Always listen to the Holy Spirit. You got the Holy Spirit in you, listen to the Holy Spirit, because the Holy Spirit is going to tell you if this is not okay and if it is okay. So don't shun the Holy Spirit, don't quiet, don't silence the Holy Spirit. Listen to him, because he's going to tell you that's not okay, if that's not of me. But yeah, so I just want to say thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank y'all so much for just being a part of this journey. Be blessed, y'all.
I entered your temple like every Sunday since I was 5 or 9. Headed to the altar, I'm drawing near to the Father. But that day was different. I knelt, started crying, praying and repenting. Felt something new behind my eyes, and dropped my disguise. And to my surprise, you laid your hands on me as I lived.